There's a lot of joblessness. Our young people, 30% of our young people are without jobs. Why? Is it because they've stopped looking? Many of them have. Is it because they don't have the ability? No. It's about not performing optimally. Okay, so please go and visit my website, laurensbreitenbach.com. There's all kinds of resources there for you. But for tonight's video, I want to scroll down, and we eventually want to get to chapter 6. And I might just stop over here quickly. And I said at every end of every chapter in this book, you will find a companion section with 10 elements. So this is a practical book. It's not just theory. Anybody can go onto ChatGPT these days and say, hey, teach me some study methods. But I spent 2 years researching this, and I really went down and filtered it down and distilled it into a book of 230 odd pages for you. So I really hope that you'll grab this free copy while it is available.